How did you do your collage? What did you do first?
I found this picture in a magazine a couple of days ago.
Oh, okay.
And I Xeroxed it because I thought it was really cool.
Oh, that's the one you told me about. Yeah,
So
yeah.
the color came out a little different.
Oh, I love it. Actually, I love the color better. I mean, I love it the way it is now.
Right.
Yeah.
And then I just surrounded myself with all the things that I love and put celebrate at the top because I try
Fantastic.
to enjoy and celebrate life every day.
Great, great, great. All right, that was really cool.
Ooh, that's cool too.
Ooh, that is cool.
I cut out the Lotto Mega Millions because I always want to win the Lotto Mega Millions. But then the other side is just so cool.
That's pretty.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
And you go with what I know.
All right, so Karen, tell me about your mandala. What was your first?
Self in the middle there as we were supposed to start.
Uh-huh.
I just picked up things that have a good feeling,
Uh-huh.
where I want to go feeling-wise.
Okay,
It's all
good.
about
Yeah,
emotional.
very good. Okay. I like your words, too. How'd you feel about doing it?
It was fun.
It was fun? Yeah. Will you do
nice
this
to
something?
just
This
focus.
again? Yeah.
Yeah, just
yeah.
to focus.
It's a different type of collage. You know, like the collage you did yesterday was.
Absolutely.
This is basically more specific. Yeah, more of a theme. Yeah. All right. So, Karen, what about you? What?
Most of mine is actually travel themed.
Uh-huh.
Believe it or not.
So
It's
you
what I
you want to travel?
Yeah,
You want to travel.
I've lived overseas before, and I'm dying to get back over to the UK, and I'm trying to go by the end of this year. And so
Okay.
my airplane in
Oh,
Europe
wow.
and the castle.
So that's a vision. That's a vision collage.
Yeah, for me it is.
Uh-huh.
And then because of Florida, living there now, and like some of my pictures, the alligator,
Uh-huh.
the Cartier alligator made me think of that.
Well, that's interesting.
But I also, in the jewelry, because it represents me.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
then I had to throw in this watch because I laugh at myself. I'm never on time anywhere for anything.
So you
And
want to be on time.
No, I just represent something that I'm not good at. It's part of who I am.
That's part of who you are. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is you reflecting.
Yeah.
It looks like you reflecting, or an image of you reflecting.
Yeah, just kind of thinking.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, good. I like it.
Yeah,
Very
thank
cool.
you.
Very, very cool. Sandy, tell me about your process. It looks like you want to use all the pictures. She doesn't have enough. She says, I need a bigger collage. I need a bigger circle.
I forgot I was supposed to be doing a circle.
Oh, that's funny.
I was going for the...
She thought she had to cover the whole
She's
paper.
done, no, she's done collages with me so many times, like soul collages. She went back to that.
I went
Yeah.
back to that.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Well, that's
That's
okay.
funny.
It's just got a lot
yeah.
of stuff that pertains to yoga.
Okay, okay.
the-
Well, you know what you can do if you want to. Here's what you can do. I give you permission to do a bigger collage later on, a circle, a mandala, in other words.
Okay.
Make it into, basically, do a mandala, but do it bigger. You just don't need you know, that's mandala's too small.
Yeah.
But yeah, but as long as you use all, like I tell the kids, as long as you can use all these things in your art, you can take them home. But you can't just take them home like the kids go, can I take this home? No, if you use it in your art, you can take it home, but you can't just take it
You
home.
can't just keep it.
So
Yeah.
I have to make this round.
You have to make it brown, but you don't have to do it now. You can just
Okay,
use,
good.
use a big piece, go to Walmart and get a big piece of, like,
Poster board.
poster board, yeah.
Like Dollar
Yeah,
General.
just get a piece of poster
I really
board.
don't want to part with any of it.
Well, don't worry about it.
I
Just
love these
just
funny
keep
looking
just
little
keep them
people
for
with-
later on. Keep them for later on, Sandy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you attached any of that yet?
Only
No.
me, and I wish I hadn't attached me because I wanted to slip something under it a while ago.
Well, you can cut it out and put it on your mandala, in your
Yeah.
mandala. Yeah. Go to Walmart, get a big piece of poster board and do the mandala, like the circle. Yeah, and then
put all this in.
yeah.
I want this.
Right, you want it all. That's right. Exactly.
it all.
Yeah, so you can have it all.
I want it all. That's right.
Okay.
That's funny.
Okay. Good. Okay. Tell me about yours, Kim.
I just picked out a lot of things that I liked that are happening in my life.
Okay. And what do they represent?
I
What's
like-
the blue-haired girl?
She has her hands like she's swimming
Oh, okay,
You know?
okay,
And the
wow.
hands, you know,
So
like
swimming.
lifting up.
Lifting up, okay.
The butterfly transforming.
Transformation,
the
right.
sunshine.
Oh, good. And
the-
smiling. I see the smiling.
Yeah, that's me. That's
Yeah,
my
very
center,
good, very
really.
good. I love it, I love it, I love
And
it.
then love, the girl with her arms open like
Yeah.
this, ready for the love to come in, you know? Or giving
Is
out.
that the invitation for
Yeah.
you're
Yeah.
waiting and
I'm
ready
waiting,
to meet
I'm,
somebody?
I want to be in love, you know? So, and I am. And I know that I am, so it's all good. Doesn't have to
So
be
Beth, can you talk a little bit about, even though you haven't
You're
finished
happy
yet,
for
can you
today.
tell me a little bit about where you're going with it?
Well, I first off started looking
Yeah, but you have a
just
positive
at
intention.
large things that were things that drew me in.
Uh-huh.
And then those are going to be my background.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah, and then
fitting
you're
them
gonna
into
put,
the
you're gonna use
circle.
that as your layer, basically.
And then I have
Okay.
my words that
I
are just
love
gonna
it,
go
I love that,
over
yeah.
the
So you're
top.
using that as your background, and you're gonna put the words on top.
Right,
Good, I
right.
like that.
So-
I like that face that up there by Queen Solution.
Yeah, that's me.
That is
That's gonna be
cool.
my
That's
center
you.
face.
That's your center. Okay,
Because
wonderful.
I didn't bring my picture.
One is orange and one's